Ever needed your AI tools to keep users updated during long operations while still handling the core processing? You'll see how to build a FastMCP tool that processes data from a URI while sending progress updates, reading resources, and even requesting help from the client's LLM, all through the context object. The pattern shows how to combine real-time feedback with complex operations in a single, clean implementation. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Context. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals context demo. At MCP, tool. Async def process data, data URI. SDR-CTX, context. Dict. The process, data from a resource with progress reporting. Await CTX, info, F processing data from data URI. Hash read a resource. Resource equals await CTX, read resource, data URI. Data equals resource, content if resource else. Hash report progress. Await CTX, report progress. Progress equals 50, total equals 100. Hash example request to the client's LLM for help. Summary equals await CTX. Sample, F summarize this in 10 words. Data 200. Await CTX. Report progress. Progress equals 100. Total equals 100. Return. Length, len data. Summary text. This demonstrates the context-injected tool pattern, where backend functions become AI-callable services with built-in progress reporting and resource access. The key innovation is the context parameter, which acts as a dependency injection point for cross-cutting concerns like logging, progress updates, and LLM sampling. What makes this distinctive is how it cleanly separates business logic from operational concerns without requiring manual instrumentation. The pattern works by treating tools as async functions that receive an injected context object, enabling declarative access to framework capabilities. Your function remains pure business logic, while the context handles progress reporting, resource fetching, and even delegating subtasks to the client's LLM. This creates a reactive workflow where the client receives real-time updates without the server needing to manage state or callbacks. This approach solves the dual problems of tool observability and resource access in AI systems. Progress reporting prevents client timeouts during long operations, while context-based resource access eliminates manual file handling or API calls. The trade-off is framework coupling, but the benefit is dramatically simpler code for complex workflows where you need both AI delegation and user feedback. Let's break it down. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Context. This imports FastMCP, the core class for creating AI-callable tools, and context for progress reporting and resource access. These are the foundation for building tools that AI models can invoke with full execution tracking. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals context demo. This initializes the FastMCP instance named context demo, creating the core orchestrator for AI-callable tools. The name parameter identifies this toolset in logs and the AI interface, enabling clear separation between different tool collections. All tools must register with this instance to become AI accessible. At MCP, tool. Async def process data, data URI. SDR-CTX, context. Dict. The process, data from a resource with progress reporting. Await CTX, info, F processing data from data URI. This defines an AI-callable tool using FastMCP's Decorator pattern. The CTX parameter provides logging and progress reporting capabilities, while the docstring automatically becomes the tool's schema for AI models. The initial CTX, info, call logs the operation start, creating an audit trail for debugging and monitoring.
Hash read a resource. Resource equals await CTX. Read resource, data URI. Data equals resource, content if resource else.
This fetches the resource content using FastMCP's built-in resource reader. The context object handles the actual I/O operation, while the fallback empty string prevents null reference errors if the resource doesn't exist. This pattern ensures safe resource access with minimal error handling code.
Hash report progress. Await CTX. Report progress. Progress equals 50, total equals 100.
This reports task progress back to the calling system. The context parameter handles progress tracking, enabling real-time status updates for long-running operations, critical for AI tools that need to signal intermediate completion states.
Hash example request to the client's LLM for help. Summary equals await CTX. Sample, F summarize this in 10 words. Data 200.
This delegates work to the client's LLM by sending a prompt through the context interface. The sample method handles the async request-response cycle, returning a structured response object. Pattern is consistent across FastMCP tools. Use context for all AI interactions to maintain session state and logging.
Await CTX. Report progress. Progress equals 100, total equals 100. Return.
This finalizes the tool execution by reporting 100% progress completion, then returns structured results. The progress update ensures the calling system knows the operation finished, while the return dictionary provides both quantitative metrics and AI-generated content in a predictable format. Context-aware tool pattern. The context object transforms FastMCP tools from isolated functions into interactive workflows, enabling progress reporting, resource access, and real-time LLM collaboration through a single parameter. Progress updates require integer values for both current and total, never percentages or floats. This pattern bridges the gap between deterministic code and dynamic AI interactions without changing the tool's core signature.
The progress bar that never moves still completes the task.